Have you ever stood in a grocery store, a coffee shop, or a train station and felt your heart race just because you had to speak English? Your mouth goes dry. Your hands get cold. Your brain screams, "What if I mess up?" If that sounds like you, you're not alone. But guess what? By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to speak English in public places confidently, without fear, without panic, and without freezing. So don't skip. Watch till the end. I promise you'll feel confident answering this question anywhere. And yes, if the video is useful to you, be sure to subscribe to the channel because we are constantly updating our videos to make your English learning journey easier. Let's begin. Number 1, understanding the root of fear. First, let's understand why we fear speaking English in public places. The fear usually comes from 3 things. First, fear of being judged. Second, fear of making mistakes. Third, fear of not being understood. These fears are normal. You've been trained, directly or indirectly, to believe that making a mistake in public is embarrassing. But here's the truth. No one really cares as much as you think they do. Think about it. If someone in your country tried to speak your language and made a small mistake, would you laugh at them? No. You'd probably appreciate the effort. So why assume others won't appreciate yours? The truth is, your fear is not about English, it's about how you think others will react. And that's what we're going to fix. Number 2, the most effective mindset shift. Let me give you a powerful idea. Communication is not about perfection. It's about connection. If your goal is to connect, not impress, you automatically reduce pressure. You don't have to speak like a native speaker. You just need to speak to be understood. Here's a mindset trick. Speak to express, not to impress. The next time you feel nervous, tell yourself, "I'm not here to perform. I'm here to connect." Repeat it in your head. Breathe deeply. This one sentence can immediately drop your anxiety. Number 3, practical exercises to kill fear before you speak. Now let's get into action. Here are 3 powerful exercises you must practice every day to remove fear from public speaking in English. Exercise 1, the mirror method. 5 minutes a day. Stand in front of a mirror and say out loud, "I'm confident. I can speak English. I'm not afraid to speak in public." Then practice short English sentences like, "I'd like a coffee, please." "Where's the nearest ATM?" "Can you help me find this?" Look yourself in the eye. Say it with calmness. This builds mental rehearsal and trains your brain to act confident. Exercise 2, the whisper challenge. Anywhere you can do it. When you're walking on the street or standing in the line, speak softly to yourself in English. Whisper what you see. There's a man buying coffee. The car is turning left. The child is laughing. This trains your brain to process and produce English in real time in public spaces without pressure. No one hears you, but your confidence grows. Exercise 3, the fake call trick. It helps public confidence building. Here's the most underrated one. Pretend you're talking on the phone, but actually practice speaking English out loud. You can say, "Hey, I'm at the grocery store. Do you want milk or bread?" "Yeah, I'll meet you at the metro station at 5. Why this works? Your brain feels like you're speaking publicly, but the fake call gives you a safe mask. Over time, this reprograms your fear response. Number 4, guidelines to speak English in public places without fear. Let's move on to specific guidelines that will help you speak in real-world public places without hesitation. First, start small, then go bigger. Don't begin by speaking to a crowd or in a big restaurant. Start with asking for the time, saying hi to a cashier, ordering food in English. Tiny wins create big confidence. Second, use safe sentences. Keep a few safe sentences memorized. These are common phrases you'll often need. Examples: excuse me, can I ask something? I'm learning English. Please speak slowly. Can you repeat that, please? These phrases act like your safety net in public. When you get stuck, go back to them. Third, slow down your speaking. Fear often makes us rush, but here's a powerful tip. Speak slowly on purpose. Why? You sound more confident. You have more time to think. Listeners understand you better. So even if your English is not perfect, your calm delivery makes it strong. Fourth, accept that mistakes will happen, and that's okay. You will make mistakes, and that's normal. Even native speakers say, forget words, or say the wrong thing. The key is, don't apologize. Don't panic. Just continue. Mistakes don't ruin communication. Fear does. Fifth, maintain eye contact or smile. Even if your English is shaky, a warm smile or relaxed eye contact makes people respond kindly. You don't need perfect grammar. You need to show that you're present and open. Confidence is felt more through body language than words. Sixth, record your own voice in public spaces. Use your phone to record yourself saying simple sentences in a coffee shop, train station, or park. Then listen back. You'll hear, you sound better than you think. Your mistakes aren't that bad. You're improving. This helps your brain separate irrational fear from real performance. Number 7, a short story you'll never forget. Let me tell you a short story. There was a boy named Arif from a small town. He knew basic English, but always stayed quiet in public. One day, he had to travel to another city alone. He got lost. He approached a man at a metro station and said, I want where the train goes. Please help. The man didn't laugh. He smiled and said, oh, you want to know where the train goes? Come, I'll show you. At that moment, Arif realized something powerful. Even my broken English can get me help. I don't need perfect English. I need courage. From that day, he spoke more, even when scared. And that's what changed everything. Number 6, tips for specific public place. Let's break it down even more. Here's how to handle fear in specific public places. First, in restaurants or cafes. Look at the menu first. Practice your order silently. Use simple sentences. I'd like a chicken sandwich, please. Can I get this without cheese? Pro tip, if you're really scared, just write it in notes on your phone and just read it. In stores or markets, learn 3 to 5 useful phrases. How much is this? Do you have a smaller size? Where can I find? Use gestures too. Pointing is okay. Visual plus verbal equals clarity. Asking for directions. Start with a friendly opening. Excuse me, can I ask something? Then the question. Where is the nearest metro station? Most people will appreciate your effort and help you. Number 7. What if someone laughs or reacts rudely? It's rare, but let's prepare for it. If someone laughs, ignores, or reacts badly, remember this. Their reaction says nothing about your English. It says everything about their character. Don't take it personally. Real confidence is built by walking through fear, not avoiding it. Number 8. Final words of power. Let me leave you with this. You were not born speaking perfect English. Nobody was. Confidence is not something you're born with. It's something you build one sentence at a time. You can speak in public.